difference.
Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Maximus Arana, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to achieve the classic Quiff hairstyle. If that sounds interesting, let's jump right into this video. Also, this hairstyle is without a blow dryer and without any hair product, so let's get right into it. So achieving this hairstyle is pretty simple. The technique is a hair oil technique, no clay, no blow drying, just oil and air drying. Pretty simple, right? Okay, hop into the shower, shampoo and condition your hair, hop out of the shower, towel dry your hair till it's damp. That means no water droplet should be dripping off your hair, and your hair should be in a state where it's not too dry and not too wet. So after that, apply a few drops of hair oil throughout your hair length, emulsify it with the help of your palms, and then comb it to, evenly spread the hair oil throughout the ends and your entire hair, of course. So here's the catch for this hairstyle. You do not wanna achieve too much volume in this hairstyle. The volume should be less, not too less that it starts looking like a pompadour, a super low volume pompadour, more like a slick back. It shouldn't look like that, and it shouldn't have that kind of volume in which your hair is touching the roof. I gave you the hair volume technique, but don't use it on this hairstyle. So you'll see the end result in the ending. I'm actually doing a voiceover for this video. So the thing is, the trick to achieve this classic Quiff hairstyle is pretty easy. Like as you see, I'm combing my hair behind. Achieve a pompadour when your hair is damp, okay? Like as you've seen, I'm achieving a pompadour when my hair is damp. So after my hair dries off, simply run my hands through my hair and I'll get into the desired shape, which you'll see right now. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and turn the notifications bell on. And also follow me on Instagram, which is @Maximus_Arana. And the topic of discussion for today's video is which hair product do you use? Let me know down in the comment section below. I'll see you guys at the next video. Peace.